Welcome to Safey Medical Devices. In this video, I will guide you through a step-by-step procedure of using our application. Let's get started. Open Safey application. Agree to the policy of use. Here you need to enter patient details. Patient ID could be anything. Enter the patient's first name, patient's last name, height, weight, and date of birth of the patient, and save the details. Now click on the tech test button, allow for the Bluetooth permission, allow for the device location, click on the tech test button. Now select the device and assign a name of your choice. Click on the connect button. Select FEVC. This displays current battery health of our device. Here are a few instructions you need to follow. First, insert the turbine from the front side of the device. Not like this. You always have to insert the turbine into the device from the front side. And insert the turbine and just rotate it in a little bit clockwise direction. Then take a deep inhale and put the device into your mouth like this. Now start the test and exhale all the air of your lungs as much and as fast as you can. I will show you how to do it. And then you just need to wait for the results. So this is our trial result with various graphs, session quality and suggested diagnosis along with the all required parameter. You can add unlimited number of trials by following the same instructions. Now click on the finish test button to save the results. You can add customized note. So this is the history of last test taken by the patient, and you can print or share the customized report by selecting View Report option. Simply customize your report. That's it. You have successfully completed a respiratory test using a Safey application. For more information or assistance, please refer to our user manual or reach out to our support team. Stay healthy and thank you so much for choosing Safey.